Hi guys, how are you? Yes, I'm here in the bus. Like after a whole day in school, I'm going home. And I'm just thinking about what to do this afternoon once I'm home. Let me just take my telephone and write everything on my notes so I can know and I have a plan for this afternoon. First, I'm going to read for a while. Yes, I'm going to sit on the couch and read a book. That relaxes me very much. Then I'm going to write in my diary. Yes, I'm going to write in my diary. It helps me to manage my emotions and think about the problems. Yes, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to stretch a little bit. Yes, I'm going to do some yoga. Yeah. After the whole day in school, I feel a little bit rigid. And afterwards, I'm going to call my brother. Yeah, I want to call him. There's a long time we don't talk. And before having dinner, I'm going to do the laundry. Yes, I remember. I have lots of clothes to clean. These are my plans for the afternoon. What are yours?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready? Let's keep learning with Funny Friends School, and today we start a new concept, be going to. Okay, and be going to is the structure we use to talk about plans, intentions for the future, yes? And see that we have now just two activities, okay? And what are we doing? We need to find the underlined words into the worksheets and then do this crossword, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the first activity. Let me just get ready. I'm going to put my underliners here and my beautiful colorful pens just next to them. Okay, so be going to. Be going to its form, it's very easy. You need a subject such as she, I, a name like your name for example. Then the form of the verb to be, are, is, going to, and the verb in infinitive, okay? For example, I am going to visit the zoo. Yes, I am going to visit the zoo. Or he is going to play soccer. So let's complete the sentences with be going to and the verbs below. Let's do it. Okay, look at the boy. I am, if I have I is I am, okay? And we have the apostrophe, so we could write like this. I am going to what? Do? Yes, I think it's do because some homework needs do. I am going to do some homework for tomorrow. Yes? And let me just paint the verb do like this with a little bit of blue. So do goes like D and O. I am going to do my homework. Now we go for the next one. As we what? We are, right? We are. Let me change the color. We are going to buy. Yes, I think that is to buy. We are going to buy the groceries. Yes, we are going to buy the groceries with our mom. We help her carry all the food. Yes, we help her carry all the food. And food is one of the words we have in here that we have to remember to then do our activity together. Yes? And then what? What else? Okay, yes. Let me paint first the letters B, U, Y. And we just have them like that. Now we go for the next one. Day are. They are going to. They are going to. To what? They are going to visit, right? Their grandparents. If we have grandparents, that is what makes sense. So let's just paint now in red the word visit. V-I-S-I-T. We visit, yes, our grandparents who are quite old. And grandparents is another word that we need to write in here. Great. Well done. Now let's go and do the last one. She is going to. Remember, okay, we need is going to. She's going to, and the last word we have, the missing one is work. She's going to work on an arts project about language. She's going to work on an arts project about language. And this is it. Well done, okay? Remember, so what is the point here? Be going to and its form. We need the verb to be or is going to plus the verb, and that's it. Well